Welcome. In front of me I have Samsung Galaxy A32, and today we are going to check if this smartphone comes with factory installed screen protector. So if you take a look closely on the screen and focus on the edges and on the front camera cut, here you cannot find any kind of the protector. You cannot find here even the very thin foil or tempered glass. It's totally flat screen. The film you can find right here on the edges. It's here, and it was also here, but just, I just remove it. And of course, I can recommend you to get some kind of the protector, because after a few weeks of use the smartphone without protection, you will notice that you have scratches on the screen, even if you take care of this phone. It's just some kind of the, I don't know, magical things that just happen to the smartphone all the time. Even the cheap tempered glass will help you and will protect your screen from the scratches and also from the breaks if you put your finger, if you put your phone on the ground, if the smartphone fall on the ground. So yeah, if you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to our channel.